What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to insert disc on your PS5 Slim. Now over here, I have a PS5 Slim, but it is actually the same with the PS5 standard as well. Now, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and get your disc. So over here, I have a disc from Black Meat Wukong. You can literally see. And what you want to do is to basically turn the disc this way, so the inner part of the disc should actually be facing outside of your PS5 Slim or your PS5 standard, and basically you just want to insert it this way. Now, one of the mistakes people actually make is to put it this way. So most people actually think that the cover of the disc should be facing outside and just you want to place it like this, but that is actually wrong. You want to make sure it is placed this way, and that is specifically because the way the PS5 Slim and the PS5 is actually designed, it is supposed to be placed vertically just like this, and if you do it that way, it will actually make sense. But basically what you want to do to properly place the disc is to just make sure that this inner part is actually facing outside while the cover is actually facing your PS5. So you want to place it just like so. I'll give it some few seconds and you're going to see that under the Black Meat Wukong, we now have a disc showing on it. So that is basically how to insert a disc on your PS5 or your PS5 Slim. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.